So I wanted to show you these hooks that we got. We go out our back door a lot, and we were needing some hooks on our door to kind of hang our coats where it was handy. And we came across these. We've tried some others that have the adhesive on the back and they just wouldn't hold them. But these will actually hold up to 13 pounds. And just to show you, I've got my husband's big winter coat that he has, and it literally doesn't move. These things, I will tell you, when you put them on, make sure you get them where you want them, because they don't move. I don't know what's in this adhesive, but it's very strong and very durable. These do come in different colors, so if you want silver, gold, black, whatever color, they have them in different colors, but highly recommend them. They work great. You can use them for like plants. I also like that it's got the two double hooks too, so if you wanted something on the bottom and the top, it's just double, but up to 13 pounds, you're good to go.